Hello everyone. Today our topic is Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great son of India. He was true patriot. He believed in action and not in words. He was a brave and courageous soldier. He will always be remembered for his patriotism. This great son of India was born on 23rd January 1897. His father was a lawyer. He was a good organizer even in his school days. He used to organize his class fellows into a group of volunteers to do social service. He got military training during his college days. In spite of all these activities, he never let his studies suffer. He maintained a high record of performance. He stood second in the matriculation and also in the BA examinations. He went to England for the ICS examination. He was fourth among the successful candidates. He came back from England in 1921. Now he wanted to work for the freedom of India. He met Chittaranjan Das and Mahatma Gandhi. He was deeply impressed by Chittaranjan Das. He joined the Congress and was made its general secretary. Since he was a man of rebellious nature, he left the Congress after some time. He tried to organize the youth in order to free India. He was arrested and sent to jail. He fell ill in jail. He was sent to Europe for treatment. There he came into contact with Sardar Patel. He was much impressed by him. Subhash believed in the use of force to free India. He organized the Indian National Army. Unluckily, this brave son of India died in an air crash during the Second World War. Now let's have a look on some words and their meanings. Number one is patriotism. It means love for or devotion to one's country. Second one is volunteer. Volunteer means a person who offers or agrees to do something without being forced or paid to do it. Thank you very much. I hope you liked the video. You can tell us in comments. Thank you.